Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Do you want to create a multi-vendor app or multiple sellers app that supports WCFM or Dokan plugin? You can do it with the FluxBuilder drag-and-drop app builder. In this video, let's see the way to choose a layout for the vendor screen. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select a multi-vendor app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Click the category item, then click the Vendors button. Now we change the UI for this vendor's screen. You can also change the UI for this category screen. There are many UIs. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.